Hey everyone, recently Orbis put on a fantastic event at Checkout.com's HQ in London. In collaboration with the Checkout.com team, we brought together the Orbis product community for an evening of insights and networking. I'm here with Roy. Do you think that AI has an impact on security around people's money, or would you say that's helping that kind of security element?
I think this is a very interesting topic because I was talking to somebody about it today. We need to stop thinking not just of security of people, but security for AI agents. What should AI agents be able to do? Should they be able to withdraw your money on your behalf? Or should they just be able to answer your questions? So it's going to be a very interesting topic over the next couple of years is how do we make sure the AI agents we use are secure and have the right set of permissions and credentials to do the things they should be doing.
Yeah. I'm here with Dina. Have you taken the kind of principles of data product management through into product management? I guess, would you say it's help to make really good data informed decisions?
I would think so. Data is now in the back of my mind. Having been in the data product management world, working with data, working with the data engineers, working with BI engineers. I don't work in that team anymore. They're now a service team where I work with them, have one-to-one meetings with them. I'm now outside of that siloed team. So I feel like I always have that data mindset. If people ignore data, I'll be like, no, that's a team. That's my old team. And I think that's the way we should go to because I've seen the value of data.
Nice, I really like that. I'm here with Carolina, Group PM here at Checkout.com. Remind me, where have you worked previously to Checkout?
Yes, I've been at Checkout for a year. Before Checkout, I was at Amazon, so spent some time in AWS in the migration monetization team.
So how I understand it is at Checkout, you have kind of product function on one side, and then you've got data on the other side. And I guess data product management, if you like, sits under the data side of the business and then on the product. So how do you guys interact? Do you use their analytics and that kind of stuff?
So as most of the companies, we have the teams that are building the products. And as they build products, they build the data products as well. And then we basically have a centralized data platform team and then an analytics team also centralized who does all the manipulation. And then we have other teams where, for example, the teams that I manage they use the data that already exists and they build products off the back of that.
So I'm here with Beatrice. You emailed me before the event saying you got some sort of different opinions on data product management. Just explain what you mean by that.
Yes, I think product management always gets a lot of visibility because it's external, right? You're building for customers and you might be selling, you might be charging for it. But actually in the world of product management, I also think that there's a whole internal component to it, right? So analytics teams, I think across companies should also be thinking about data product management.
Obviously there's loads of cool data products out there, loads of cool ways that people are using data. What's your kind of favorite or the thing that's most interesting to you that's kind of driven by data or AI, or it might be at the moment?
Obviously, one of the most loved data products in the world, which I think is Spotify. What I love about working there as a product data scientist is that you get to not only see the effect of the product itself, so the algorithm, but you can actually talk about how that's performing.
So I'm here with Jack. He's a senior technical recruiter here at Checkout.com. Jack, you've been pivotal to the running of this event. What inspired you to set it up and what impact are you hoping it has?
It's really important that we get to see all the cool things that we're doing here at Checkout. I've had feedback from lots of people that have come to interview with us that they don't necessarily see in the market all the really cool things we're doing. We are one of the biggest payments companies in the world. We're doing some of the most interesting challenges that lots of companies can't do. We're operating at a scale that's not really equivalent to what most companies can do. And we'd love to talk more around some of those exciting initiatives in the market and tell people all about it.
I imagine there'll be some engineering people from Checkout coming to attend. Why do you think it's important for them to be exposed to data and products and those various initiatives?
I don't think this is unique to Checkout, but I think the best engineers are people that care about what they're building and why. And to have that relationship with product and the business and the outcomes of what you're building, I think is really, really important.
So I'm here with Anthony. He's the founder of Harbour Data. Obviously, because you work with a lot of these different businesses who build data products, I guess people are always interested to find out the core metrics that these companies use to show value from their data products. So I guess what's the main one that you see?
Yeah, so for us, we kind of look at our customers in two ways. We have data businesses that are using these as ways to commercially sell their data products. So for them, it's a pretty simple P&L equation. So ultimately, they're either looking to reduce cost and reduce risk, or they're looking to increase revenue or the speed of that revenue. So for them, it's really clear around whether our platform has added value, but also how their data products are performing. It's ultimately a cost and revenue equation.
I'm here with Marcelo. He's a principal product manager for data at Skyscanner. what's the kind of most exciting trend in the data market at the moment?
Very hard to answer not talking about AI, but it's not about AI itself. It's what we need to do with the data to prepare for AI. And AI will be a revolution, but the data needs to be ready. So how we work together, data and AI, to bring this revolution into reality.
Nice, really like it.